Welcome to Vidhira English. Let's begin our journey to learn useful vocabulary words. Now, let's learn our first word. Viable. The word viable describes something that is practical, possible, and capable of succeeding. It is often used for plans, ideas, businesses, solutions, or options that can work effectively and achieve the desired result. Now let's learn the word forms. Adjective, viable. Meaning, practical, workable, or capable of succeeding. Example 1, this seems like a viable solution. Example 2, after carefully studying the costs, they concluded that the project was financially viable. Noun, viability. Meaning, the ability of something to work successfully or continue effectively. Example 1, we need to check the viability of this business idea. Example 2, investors questioned the long-term viability of the company's expansion plan. Now let's move to the next word. Uptake. The word uptake refers to the act of taking in, accepting, or using something. It is commonly used for the adoption of ideas, products, medicines, technology, or information. Now let's learn the word forms. Noun, uptake. Example 1, the uptake of electric vehicles is increasing. Example 2, the company was pleased with the rapid uptake of its new mobile application. Now let's move to the next word. Utilize. The word utilize means to use something effectively or for a practical purpose. It is more formal than use and is often found in workplaces, education, and official communication. Now let's learn the word forms. Verb, utilize. Meaning, to make effective or practical use of something. Example 1, we should utilize our time wisely. Example 2, the company utilizes advanced technology to improve the quality of its products. Noun, utilization. Meaning, the effective use of something. Example 1, the utilization of resources is important. Example 2, better utilization of public transport can reduce traffic congestion. Now let's move to the next word. Gradual. The word gradual describes something that happens slowly, little by little, rather than all at once. Now let's learn the word forms. Adjective, gradual. Meaning, happening slowly over time. Example 1, there was a gradual improvement in her health. Example 2, the company experienced gradual growth after introducing its new products. Adverb, gradually. Meaning, slowly and step by step. Example 1, the rain gradually stopped. Example 2, as she practiced every day, her confidence gradually increased. Now let's move to the next word. Sacrosanct. The word sacrosanct describes something that is considered so important, valuable, or sacred that it should never be questioned, changed, or interfered with. Now let's learn the word forms. Adjective, sacrosanct. Meaning, too important or sacred to be changed or criticized. Example 1, freedom of speech is considered sacrosanct in many countries. Example 2, for him, honesty is a sacrosanct value that he refuses to compromise under any circumstances. Now let's move to the next word. Lucrative. The word lucrative describes something that earns a lot of money or brings significant profit. Now let's learn the word forms. Adjective, lucrative. Meaning, producing a large profit. Example 1, she found a lucrative job. Example 2, starting an online business can become a highly lucrative career if it is managed well. Noun, lucrativeness. Meaning, the quality of being profitable. Example 1, they discussed the lucrativeness of the investment. Example 2, the company's rapid growth proved the lucrativeness of the new business model. Now let's move to the next word. Raze. The word raze means to completely destroy or knock down a building, structure, or area so that nothing remains. Now let's learn the word forms. Verb, raze. Meaning, to completely destroy or demolish. Example 1, the old building was razed. Example 2, the authorities decided to raze the unsafe structure before it collapsed. Now let's move to the next word. Plenty. The word plenty means a large amount or more than enough of something. It is commonly used to talk about time, food, money, opportunities, or resources. Now let's learn the word forms. Noun, plenty. Example 1, we have plenty of time. Example 2, there are plenty of opportunities for students who are willing to work hard. Now let's move to the next word. Onus. The word onus refers to the responsibility, duty, or burden of doing something. It is often used when someone is expected to prove, explain, or complete something. Now let's learn the word forms. Noun, onus. Example 1, the onus is on you to finish the report. Example 2, in a job interview, the onus is on the candidate to demonstrate the required skills and experience. Now let's move to the next word. Nurture. The word nurture means to care for, support, protect, and encourage the growth or development of a person, skill, relationship, or idea. Now let's learn the word forms. Verb, nurture. Meaning, to care for and encourage growth. Example 1, parents should nurture their children's talents. Example 2, a good teacher nurtures curiosity by encouraging students to ask questions and think independently. Noun, nurture. Meaning, care and encouragement that helps someone or something grow. Example 1, children need love and nurture. Example 2, success often comes from a combination of talent and proper nurture. Now let's move to the next word. Negligence. The word negligence refers to the failure to take proper care or pay enough attention to something, resulting in mistakes, damage, or harm. Now let's learn the word forms. Noun, negligence. Meaning, carelessness or failure to take proper care. Example 1, the accident happened because of negligence. Example 2, the company was held responsible for its negligence in maintaining safety standards. Adjective, negligent. Meaning, careless or failing to take proper care. Example 1, the driver was negligent. Example 2, the doctor was found negligent for ignoring the patient's symptoms. Adverb, negligently. Meaning, in a careless manner. Example 1, he negligently left the door unlocked. Example 2, the documents were negligently handled, causing important information to be lost. Now let's move to the next word. Horizon. The word horizon refers to the line where the earth or sea appears to meet the sky. It is also used figuratively to describe future possibilities, opportunities, or new experiences. Now let's learn the word forms. Noun, horizon. Example 1, the sun disappeared below the horizon. Example 2, learning a new language can broaden your horizons and open many career opportunities. Now let's move to the next word. Fluctuate. The word fluctuate means to rise and fall or change continuously, instead of remaining steady. It is commonly used for prices, temperatures, emotions, and market conditions. Now let's learn the word forms. Verb, fluctuate. Meaning, to change irregularly. Example 1, fuel prices fluctuate every month. Example 2, the value of the company's shares continued to fluctuate throughout the trading day. Noun, fluctuation. Meaning, an irregular change or variation. Example 1, there has been a fluctuation in temperature. Example 2, seasonal fluctuations in demand often affect the company's production schedule. Now let's move to the next word. Affirm. The word affirm means to state or declare something confidently and clearly, often to confirm that it is true or to express strong support for it. Now let's learn the word forms. Verb, affirm. Meaning, to confirm or state confidently. Example 1, I affirm that everything I said is true. Example 2, the witness affirmed that he had seen the entire incident with his own eyes. Noun, affirmation. Meaning, a statement confirming that something is true or expressing support. Example 1, she nodded in affirmation. Example 2, his public affirmation of the team's efforts boosted everyone's confidence. Adjective, affirmative. Meaning, showing agreement or confirming something. Example 1, she gave an affirmative answer. Example 2, the committee gave an affirmative response to the proposal after reviewing all the details. Now let's move to the next word. Acquaint. The word acquaint means to make someone familiar with a person, place, fact, or situation by giving them information or introducing them. Now let's learn the word forms. Verb, acquaint. Meaning, to make someone familiar with something. Example 1, let me acquaint you with the new rules. Example 2, the trainer acquainted the new employees with the company's policies before they started work. Adjective, acquainted. Meaning, familiar with someone or something. Example 1, I am acquainted with her. Example 2, before traveling abroad, you should become acquainted with the local customs and traditions. That brings us to the end of today's vocabulary lesson. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please show your support. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. Your support motivates us to create more helpful content for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.